Today, I get my electric dirt bike from eBikeZilla. In early March, I placed a pre-order for a Talaria Sting. Just over a month later, as predicted, it showed up on time right at my doorstep. It turned out the delivery driver and I had the same last name. Yeah, just up next to that truck.
Save you some gas.
Oh yeah. Brings me back to handlebar. After taking the box off, I inspected the bike to make sure there weren't any significant scratches or any damage that I couldn't see from outside. I was satisfied with the condition it came in and accepted the bike.
Oh yeah, man, looks good to me. So, need me to sign some stuff?
All you gonna do is just put this one, print our last name on there. And enjoy it, bro.
Thank you very much, man. Thank you so much.
Yeah, y'all be good.
The frame looks awesome. Looks like we have everything.
Building the bike is easy. If you can turn a screwdriver, you can build this bike. Remove the straps compressing the suspension by pressing the button, or cutting them if there's too much tension. Bolt on the handlebars just tight enough so that they'll stay in place when rotating them. This way you can set it up to suit where you want them once you're sitting on the bike. When you like the placement of the handlebars, tighten everything up. Next, slide the throttle into position and adjust the starter button to where it's comfortable and easy to access. Once the start button is where you want it, tighten everything down.
Sorry.
Unbolt the front brake clamp and attach the front brake to the handlebars. Again, make sure to leave the bolts loose so that you're able to adjust the brakes to where you want them for both sitting down and standing up while riding. Once everything feels good, tighten it all up. Now onto the front wheel. Loosen the pinch bolts on the front of the axle. Once they're loose, remove the nut that holds the axle in and the axle itself. Use the thick cardboard block as a support underneath the skid plates. This will help alleviate pressure on the fork and let you take the axle out. Now lift the bike up and put that cardboard block the other direction to give you more height to be able to install the front wheel. If you need to grab another person to help you with this, definitely take the time, as it is fairly awkward. Now remove the yellow piece of plastic that is in the front brake and bolt on the front wheel. Tighten everything up in the opposite order that you installed it. When I bolted my front wheel on, I accidentally forgot to put in the wheel spacers. They're included in that cardboard box in a little bag. You'll see them, they're little cones that have some grease on them, and I just simply forgot to put them on. So I wanted to show you this so that you don't make the same mistake. Basically, I had to unbolt everything, install the wheel spacers, and then I was able to ride. I opted for the upside down D&M Volcano forks on my bike. Because they don't have a stanchion like other suspensions on the market, you'll need to pull up on each fork individually to line the axle up. The foot pegs are super easy to install. There's just a nut on the back, and there's even pins that line it up for you. Fill up the tires, and it's almost time to ride.
It's really lightweight. Like, I wasn't expecting to be able to push it up.
Yep. It's the whole point of this over like gas bikes. It's just that it's so light. So that means that on our adventures we don't have to have ramps. We don't have to have gas tank. It just means that in this setup, it just works.
The reason I got the Volcano fork is because it's the only one that comes with a solid front fender.